box. Today we are making yummy chicken Shinwari karahi. I hope when you try this recipe you say awesome. So let's start the recipe. First we pour oil. Then we add chicken. Mix well until change color. Is changed. Now I am going to add ginger garlic paste. Fry until light golden. Now cover it. While I am cutting tomatoes and chilies. Now I am going to ground whole pepper. It's done. Water is completely dry and I am going to add tomatoes. Cover it until tomatoes are tender. I am going to remove skin of tomatoes. Now I am going to mash tomatoes. Now I am going to add green chilies. Now I am going to add crushed black pepper. Mix it well. The color and smell was awesome. Now we add salt, mix it well. Now I am going to cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. It is done. Now I am going to dish out it. I am going to garnish this recipe. You must try it. Send me your feedback. Take care. Fi amanillah.
अरे वाह,